Alright, today we're going to bring a dual channel microphone system. Now, everything you see is included in here, including the two microphones with battery. You got two outer balance here. You have the antenna connection, your power connection, which is 12 to 15 volts connection. All right. Now, this is very important. This is your mixer connection or to your amplifier connection. All right. Just be aware about that. Now, in front of it, you have a couple buttons. You have your power button, your volume button, and your volume for two different microphones, of course, A and B. All right. And then, of course, you set up the frequency. You have the IR connection to change it on from the mic or to the system itself, and it transmits wherever you're going to be from. So we're going to put this together and set it up and see how it works. Setting up the actual foot. It's very simple. It's a double-sided adhesive. All right, so we're going to set up our microphone to our amplifier. All right, we're going to get two batteries on this one and set up and test it out right now. Plug it in. Plug it to the power source. There's a power source right here that you plug it in that system. Now, what you want to do is get your cable, all right? The cable that was included with it. It's a shorter cable, but it's made to be close by to the amplifier or the mixer, all right? So that's what it is for, but they do sell longer cables. And right now, we do not need the adapter. We're just going to remove the adapter. Go into where it says mixer out. So in our amplifier, we do have a mixer or a mixture itself. You could do it. Plug it in directly there. All right. Plug this system in. Output here. Go in there. All right. We're going to turn on the power. All right. First time turning on the power. We have the channels right there. 4 and 9, 12 to 5. It tells you the difference of channels. All right. So right now we're going to turn it on here. And we're going to see which side we're going to get. So once you turn it on, you're going to see we're in channel 12 to 5, which is on the right hand side. And then we're just going to go ahead and test 1, 2, 3. Put the volume up. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And there's our microphone. We're able to adjust it from here. Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Keep away from the actual microphone so you don't get that feedback. And that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this microphone in here and set it up indoors in here, but we're actually going to be outside, and I'm going to show you how far we're going to be. All right, so let me take you guys to a trip. Right, so right now here's the microphone. You guys can see I'm walking with it. It's in my hand, and we're going to head to this way here. You can still hear from my direction. And test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. It didn't lose any quality, any of the audio. It's still really good. If you guys can see, test 1, 2, 3. The only thing that we're going to do is set up the volume higher. So this could be indoors, outdoors, and we're going to test it out tonight. Do some karaoke with it. Now on the microphone, you don't have options. Only power on and power off. Everything's going to have to be either from the mixer or from the actual system itself. And you can change the frequency there and have two dual mics, all right? Like I said, two different ones. We are going to test those out tonight and see how well they work.
That I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have given you all my hours.